Now, the range rule of thumb for estimating a value of the standard deviation. To roughly estimate the standard deviation from a collection of known sample data, we're going to use the following. S is equal to the range divided by 4. Now again, this is when you're estimating a value of the standard deviation, so it's important to understand the instructions. So for example number 5, it says, range rule of thumb for interpreting the standard deviation. Now again, the important word is estimate. So if it says estimate, then you're going to use this formula. So using the range rule of thumb to estimate the standard deviation of the sample of 147 pulse rates of females in data set 1, body data in Appendix B. Those 147 pulse rates have a minimum value of 36 beats per minute and a maximum value of 104 beats per minute. So the range rule of thumb indicates that we can estimate the standard deviation by finding the range and then dividing it by 4. So with a minimum of 36 and a maximum of 104, the range rule of thumb can be used to estimate the standard deviation S as follows. So S is going to be approximately the range divided by 4. Now the maximum is 104. So we know the maximum value of 104. And then we're going to subtract the minimum value, which is 36. We're going to divide that by 4. And then that gives us 17.0 beats per minute. So the interpretation would be following. The actual value of the standard deviation is S, which is equal to 12.5 beats per minute. So the estimate of 17.0 beats per minute is in the general neighborhood of the exact result. Because this estimate is based on only the minimum and maximum values, it is generally a rough estimate that could be off by a considerable amount.